There are some questions that you really should ask at a showing that'll give you an idea of what you should know about the home. Asking these questions can be the difference between loving your home long term and dealing with costly surprises later. So, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact questions that you should be asking during your showings so that nothing important gets overlooked. So, first question would be about condition and maintenance. You want to ask about the age of the roof, the HVAC, the major systems. Find out if there have been any recent upgrades, repairs, any known issues. Then you're going to want to know days on the market, which should also be on the MLS. But days on the market and what is the seller's motivation? How long has the home been listed? Have there been any price reductions? Understanding motivation can really shape your offer. Third, you're going to want to know about utilities and operating costs. So you're going to want to ask about the average utility bills, energy efficiency, any ongoing costs that the buyers can expect. You can ask about neighborhood insights, learn about traffic patterns. Is the street busy? Do a lot of trucks go on that road? Noise levels in the neighborhood, parking. Does the street get busy with parking often? Are there any nearby developments that could affect the area? So, any new construction happening, any condos going up, any commercial spaces going up, anything like that. Next, you're going to want to ask about offer strategy. So, are there any offers on the table currently? Are there disclosures available? A seller's disclosure, lead paint disclosure, all of those items. And what terms would help an offer stand out? So, those are questions that your sellers or your buyer's agent could really help you with as well. Whenever I put in an offer for a client, I always chat with the seller's agent first and I ask them, what is the seller looking for in an offer? What terms will help the offer stand out, etc. So, those are things that your agent can assist with also prior to writing an offer. And then, one last bonus tip, you want to take notes or record a quick video after you do the showing. So, I always ask my clients if they really like the house. I always ask them to just do a quick video, or I will do a video for them. If they say, no, I'm all set, I'll do a quick video run through for them just so that I've got it. It's in my memory now. And if you guys want to write an offer later, I've got different points on that video that I'm going to remember when I write up the offer. And for you as a buyer, if you really like the property, I've had a lot of clients that have left the house and they've said, oh my gosh, I wish I took that video because my sister wants to see it or my aunt wants to see it, whatever it is. You want to show it to your family if you really like the house. So take a video walkthrough just so that it's fresh on your mind, you're remembering it, but also you can share it with friends and family and get their opinions as well. So, what are the items that I may have missed? What are some things that you would wish that you had asked during a home showing? Share it in the comments so that other buyers can learn from your experience. And if you have any questions at all, I am always here to help you and walk you through the home buying process. Have a great week.